The first tool or technique of assessment that we will talk about are achievement tests. So what are achievement tests? Achievement tests are usually summative in nature. Right? So these are tests which are used to understand what the children have learned in a specific period of time or from specific parts of the syllabus or specific chapters or specific topics. So these are achievement tests. Now, these achievement tests can be objective type test, essay, oral type, written type, performance test. So they can be any type of test. Now, these achievement tests can be broadly classified into two types. They can be teacher made tests, where the teacher is actually conducting the test at the end of every week or at the end of a particular chapter, or ad hoc, that is at the middle of a chapter, to understand what children have learnt during that period of time or from those particular chapters or topics. So if the teacher is deciding the standard, the pattern, the scope, the syllabus and everything of a particular test, then these are called teacher made tests. And the feedback from these teacher made tests are going both to the teacher and the student, and it helps them understand what they have learned from a specific chapter. The teacher gets to know whether the teaching learning process is ideal for this group of students, and the students get to know what are the gaps in their understanding of that particular topic. Right? So teacher made tests, everything is being decided by the teacher. And then there are unit tests. So unit tests are more standardized. For example, you may have some specific tests at the end of every chapter, or you might have the weekly exams, or you might have the monthly exams, or you might have midterms, or you might have the annual exams. So these are all unit tests because they are designed to assess the learning of a particular unit. So in a standardized test, that is in a standardized unit test, the format of the exam, the syllabus and the time of the question paper, how it will be corrected, what will be the negative marking, all that is standardized. It is not decided by the teacher. It will be the same standard that will be followed by all teachers. So those are standardized. And these unit tests can be conducted at the end of each unit of the syllabus. They can be conducted at the end of a chapter, or they can be conducted after a particular period of time, that is at a half yearly point or at the year end. And both of these, that is teacher made tests and unit tests, are useful in understanding the competency of the learners in a specific unit. So these are achievement tests. Very, very simple.